Houston, we have a problem.
Today we're going to show you how to build an IKEA dresser.
You'll be presented with 2 boxes which are packed like Hermione's bag. Dog not included. The instruction book's Marshmallow Man will tell you what to do and what not to do. Make sure you line up your tools as neatly as this guy did. The box will provide you with these items. Check the instruction book to make sure that you don't have anything horribly wrong. Your dresser's life will depend on the pin anchor and the cam lock. However, they are easy to put in the wrong position. These small humans will demonstrate how it's done. And now, enlist your slaves to begin the building. The boxes will provide you with these tools. I messed up already.